Hello there, guys. This is the final results. This gauge here it's not focused in, 5 thousandths is all the way out to here. And so we're starting on like a little bit of nothing. Remember, 1,000th, is that marked there, 1,000th? Is that where the 1 is? No, that's a plus minus thing.
Each graduation is 1/2 of a thousand.
Each graduation's 1/2 of a thousandth. So that's pretty daggone good. There ain't no problem with that. And that's going through the bearing. Because right now how come I ain't got no light in this thing? I must have had my hand over something. We're going through the bearing right now. So that's, you aren't gonna get, I don't think anybody can get anything any better than that. That's what, 1/8 of a thousandth of an inch? Not even an eighth.
It's not much.
So anyhow, that's it. This is just kind of a quick wrap up. We're gonna yank this thing out and wave the magic wand over it, and it'll drop in with a perfect lead set, right? Anyhow, over and out. This is, like I said, a quick one. I don't know what else I can do other than to make this thing quick. We just got to take all this monstrosity out now, which is going to take a little bit. We got to come in with the lift thing here, get that thing to get it out, because it's, once you put that bearing on there, it got heavy. So what else is there? Anything else to say? Done?
There it goes.
You want to see the best thing about this job?
Cookies.
Sherry made him a whole thing of chocolate chip cookies, and he got one. I got the rest of this whole box. You get
You're not telling the whole story. You ordered the cookies.
Well, I didn't order them. I just put the empty container out there. Basically, that's the same thing as ordering them.
Yep.
She does good, man. And she is the best cookie maker out there, which is terrible.
All right, start cranking the steady rest. You put it in there, you get it out.
I can do that. All right, guys, I gotta start tearing this thing down. Glad you stopped by. The next one is gonna be putting it in the sawmill. We'll see ya. Or putting it in the back of the truck, maybe. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the next one's gonna be up at the sawmill. Bye-bye. Oh, hit the bell too if you want to see it going in the sawmill.